for real. Why would I prank her? That's my damn friend. She just always with me though. I don't understand that shit.
Yo, friend. Damn. No, I'm his girlfriend.
She's not my girlfriend, actually. We're just friends.
We're just friends.
Yes.
Bitch, do you really think we're just friends?
Yes,
I ate your ass.
We're just friends. Nah, we haven't been together. No, bro.
We're just friends? We're just friends?
I can come later. Right now, I'm spending time with my friend.
You're with your friend?
So, what we did today, friend? Tell me what we did today, friend.
Mom.
Stop.
Sir, what did you just call me, buddy?
What you mean?
No, I'm with my friend right now. I'll go ahead and pick you up in a
Your
little...
friend?
I'm on the...
Esposa, wife. I am your wife.
No, I'm just with a friend, bro. We straight. Nothing serious.
What is that? I'm actually his girlfriend, soon to be fiance, and future wife. Thanks. Have a great day.
Nah, nothing. I'm just in the car with my friend. We finna go get something to eat.
Who's your friend?
What are you doing?
Who is that? Give me the phone.
Can you
I'm not his friend. I'm his girlfriend.
I am at Tropical Smoothie with my friend, and she got chicken bikini.
Where did she go? Who? Where did your friend go?